What's up, fitness family? Welcome back to the channel where I break down fitness facts and bust myths with science and experience. I'm your online fitness coach, and today, we're diving into something huge. Artificial intelligence is everywhere, and now it's your newest gym buddy. But the big question is, can AI actually replace personal trainers? Let's break it down. So first, what exactly is AI in fitness? AI, or artificial intelligence, is software that mimics human decision-making. In fitness, that means workout apps creating personalized training plans based on your goals, fitness level, and data like heart rate or steps. Nutrition planners that calculate your macros, suggest meals, or even generate shopping lists. And form checkers using your phone's camera to analyze posture and movement in real time. Think of apps like Freeletics, Fitbod, MyFitnessPal, Personalize, and even ChatGPT. All of these can help you build custom routines with just a few taps or prompts. Here's how AI creates a custom workout plan. You input your stats: age, gender, height, weight, your goals, and your experience level. Then the app crunches the numbers and spits out a plan. Exercises tailored to you, reps, sets, rest times, and weekly progressions. Say you're a beginner looking to lose fat, you might get 3 full-body workouts a week, each 30 minutes, blending strength and cardio. And if you skip a workout or log a new personal best, the app adapts and recalibrates. Now let's talk AI and food. AI tools can calculate your TD, that's your total daily energy expenditure, and figure out your ideal caloric deficit or surplus. They'll break down your macros: protein, carbs, and fats, and recommend daily meals, even swapping ingredients if you need. For example, if you're trying to build muscle, you might get a plan for 2,500 calories a day, with 180 grams of protein, 300 grams of carbs, and 70 grams of fat. Tools like Eat This Much, Macro Factor, or even a ChatGPT meal plan are next level. Now, let's pit AI versus real trainers. What are the pros and cons? AI pros. It's affordable. Most apps are $0 to $20 a month versus $50 or more per session with a real trainer. It's available 24/7, no scheduling needed. And it's data-driven, tracking your progress and adjusting workouts or macros in real time. Plus, it's customizable at scale, which is great for beginners or intermediates. In fact, a 2021 study found AI-generated programs helped users get more active and consistent over 8 weeks. AI cons. It lacks human intuition, it can't truly read your emotions, motivation, or energy. Form correction is limited. Unless you have fancy motion tracking, AI can't physically adjust you. And there's no real accountability. You can easily skip workouts and manipulate your numbers. Now, real personal trainer pros. The personal connection. A good trainer knows your body language, your mental barriers, and what pushes you. They correct your form, prevent injuries, motivate you, and solve problems on the spot. The cons. They're expensive, not always available, and honestly, not all trainers stay current with the latest research. So, can AI replace personal trainers? Here's the truth. AI won't replace great trainers, but it's already replacing the bad ones. Those who hand out cookie-cutter plans, AI does that better, faster, and cheaper. But the great trainers, they push you through doubt, tweak your workouts in real time, spot burnout, and inspire real change. The future isn't AI versus trainers, it's AI and trainers. The best coaches use AI tools to boost your experience like a digital assistant, not a replacement. So, who should use what? Use AI if you're a beginner or intermediate, want to save money, need structure and flexibility, and don't have injuries. Hire a real trainer if you struggle with motivation, have injuries or special needs, want to compete, or need deep personalization. So, can AI replace personal trainers? Not quite, but it can be your powerful sidekick. Use AI for structure and feedback, lean on humans for wisdom, motivation, and real-time coaching. Comment below. Have you used an AI fitness app as a personal trainer? Would you trust one with your gains? Like and subscribe if you found this video informative. Hit that bell so you don't miss a video. Stay strong, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.